If you want to enjoy drones on your mobile, then a great smartphone from Xiaomi is ready to take the market by storm. Xiaomi company is going to launch the first flying camera smartphone in the world, in which you will be given Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite processor, with 200 megapixel drone camera. You will be able to control this flying drone camera from your mobile. If you also want to buy this smartphone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Xiaomi flying camera phone. Talking about the display size of the mobile, the company is going to give you a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display in it, and it is claimed that, in this display you will be given a refresh rate of 144 Hz, and in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. If we talk about the camera quality of the mobile, then you will be given a 200 megapixel flying drone camera. Apart from this, a setup of 4 cameras can be seen on the back side of the mobile, in which 108 megapixel main camera, apart from that 13 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel ultra-wide lens has been installed. Operating system. Talking about the operating system of the mobile, you will get to see Android 15 operating system in it. Along with this, you will get to see Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite processor in it. Battery backup. If we talk about the battery backup of this smartphone, then you will get to see 8000 mAh battery, with 150 watt fast charger, which you can charge through Type-C charging port. Price or launch date. If we talk about the price, then it is being estimated that you can get this mobile at an estimated price around $2,500. And this mobile can be introduced in the end of 2025.